Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my Live Magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the Live Magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip.
How often should one get a tarot card reading, and are tarot card readings done by the help of spirits? That's an awesome question. I love that question. So here's what I tell my clients. When you get a tarot reading, I think there can be the thing of like too many opinions, right, about a subject. So if you're going to get a tarot reading about your topic and you're shopping tarot readers and you're all asking them all the same question, the tarot readers that are on point are all going to have the same answer for you on this one. So unless something has changed or you've done something different or you have a different question, there's kind of no point in going back and getting a reading about the same topic over and over again. Usually we do that when we are, like if we're nervous about something or we don't like the answer that we got. Now that doesn't mean you can't get a second opinion. If your gut is telling you, this reader really didn't get, I wasn't really resonating with this reader, of course you can get a second opinion. But as for me, with my clients, my clients will say, well, like, how soon can I come back to you? And I always say to them, if something has shifted, if something has changed, or you have a new question, or there's new information of some kind that you want to add into your reading, you are welcome to come back and get a new reading. We can look at the situation again and see where things are now. And I do have clients that will say, like, okay, they're working on a certain situation and here's what's happening now. And then they might see me in a week or two and say, okay, that thing has now turned into this thing and I want to see where we're at. So you can come in as often as you want if that's what you need to check in at any point, any given point of time. But if nothing has changed and there's nothing new to add to the situation and there's no new information, there's no new anything, coming back and getting the same reading over and over again, what you will find is you will keep getting that same message over and over again. And it's more an issue of, it's like a kind of a waste of your money to be coming back and keep asking the same question and keep getting the same information. Nobody's going to stop you from doing that. I'm not going to stop you from doing that. But I think it's just kind of a waste of your time and a waste of your money to be doing that. So there is no limit or minimum or maximum on time between readings. There's nothing like that from my perspective. Do I get readings done with the help of spirit? I'm a spiritualist. My path is a new thought spiritualist. Okay, so let's understand what that is. New thought is law of attraction work, that you have the power within you. And as a spiritualist, I work with, spirits and spirit guides and all of that. But I believe that within all of us, we have the power with our will and with our thought to change a reality. But I'm also a witch as well. And I do believe that we can do root work, we can do magic spells, we can do these things to help also keep our focus on something and push it in a direction that we want it to go. So when I do a reading, yes, I am consulting with your guides. When I sit down with you for a tarot card reading, I meet with your guides, and your guides will often have messages for you. It's not a spirit guide reading, which is no cards. Spirit guide reading is just your guides, meeting your guides and letting them give you messages. But when we sit down for a reading with the tarot cards, your guides will often jump in with like some tidbit of information, something that they want you to know. And I'll get sometimes very strong group messages from your guides of yes or no about a certain topic or information that they feel very strongly about as a group. But then once in a while, one will come up. It will show up in the cards. It's not purely a spirit guide reading, but it's interesting because sometimes the guides are very chatty. Your guides, depending on who you are, will be very chatty. And they may give me a message even as I'm shuffling the cards, and I'll be listening to their message. And then when I lay down the cards, it's like, well, lo and behold, it confirms what they were saying about this topic at hand. So just depending on how chatty your guides are, how soon they jump in with information. Yes, but yes, there are spirits, and they're your spirit guides. They're positive. They're there to love. They're in love, and they're to support you. So they're all positive spirits, and I only work with positive spirits. So there you go.